In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a photo and the paperclip at the bottom right corner. And to add any photo, look for it in one of those apps by tapping on Images at the top or selecting those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your photo, just hold it and click Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!